Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Fantasy. This video is going to be very helpful for you or your preparation for JEST 2021. In this video, we will discuss about some concept and problems of statistical mechanics. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स से जेस्ट एग्जाम पे इतना सारा क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, सिर्फ एक या दो ही आता है और ये सिर्फ कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट के बेसिस पे ही आती है। तो उस कॉन्सेप्ट को आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, तो प्लीज़ लास्ट तक देखिएगा और समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Our first question is, consider a system of two particles A and B. Each particle can occupy one of three possible states 1, 2 and 3. The ratio of probability that the two particles are in same state to the probability that the two particles are in different state is calculated for bosons and classical particles. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें पूछा गया है कि दो पार्टिकल हैं, ए है और बी है। हमें क्या करना है, उनको थ्री स्टेट्स गिवन है, उनमें उनको अरेंज करना है। किस तरह अरेंज करना है? पहले दो पार्टिकल सेम स्टेट में रहेंगे, यानी कि ए बी फर्स्ट स्टेट में या फिर सेकंड स्टेट में या फिर थर्ड स्टेट में। दोनों को दोनों बोजन के लिए अरेंज करना है और क्लासिकल पार्टिकल के लिए अरेंज करना है। और सेम अगेन उनको डिफरेंट स्टेट में अरेंज करना है, बोजन के लिए, क्लासिकल पार्टिकल के लिए। बोजन के लिए आपको बता देना चाहता हूँ, ये जो पार्टिकल ए और बी है वो इंडिस्टिंग्विशेबल है, यानी कि उनके अंदर कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है। यानी कि if A and B are indistinguishable, we can write AB instead of AB, AA या AB, दोनों सेम ही है। ओके, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इसे। आज गिवन ओके, हमें पहले ए और बी पार्टिकल को सेम स्टेट में रखना है। किस स्टेट में? सेम स्टेट में। ओके, सेम स्टेट में अरेंज करेंगे। पहले बोजन के लिए, ए स्टेट 1, ए स्टेट 2 और ए स्टेट 3 है। ओके, ए बी, आप इसे ए भी लिख सकते हैं बोजन के लिए, क्योंकि बोजन के पार्टिकल इंडिस्टिंग्विशेबल होते हैं। So you can arrange it A, here also A, and here also A. Okay, you will get the probability of arrangement will be 1/3. Okay, आप इसे इस तरह से अरेंज कर सकते हैं। If A B will be in same state, you have to arrange like this, and the probability will be 1/3. And for classical particle के लिए ये डिस्टिंग्विशेबल है। so 3 states 1 2 3 A B, so 3 states will be arranged like this. There will be no any options. A B in state 3, state 2 and state 1. And here also the probability of arranging this will be 1/3. So total probability will be, so total probability कितना होगा? Ratio of probability. Okay, we have to find ratio of probability for two particles ए बी इन सेम स्टेट। ओके, सेम स्टेट में रहने की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी रेशियो है वो क्या है 1/3 अपॉन 1/3 which will be equal to 1. Okay, if we put the two particles in same state, then their ratio of probability will be 1. Okay, now we have to find them for two particles in different state. Okay, here two particles for in different state, सेम स्टेट के लिए निकाल लिया तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या आया p इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी रेशियो क्या आया तो 1 आया। ओके, डिफरेंट स्टेट के लिए निकालेंगे, इसे अब इरेज कर देते हैं। ओके, फॉर डिफरेंट स्टेट ओके, डिफरेंट स्टेट के लिए क्या होगा, डिफरेंट स्टेट के लिए फर्स्ट निकालेंगे बोजन के लिए। बोजन तो इंडिविजुअल होते हैं, यानी कि दोनों पार्टिकल में कोई अंतर नहीं होगा। तो ये फर्स्ट स्टेट, सेकंड स्टेट और ये थर्ड स्टेट। ओके, पहले बोजन को इन डिफरेंट स्टेट ए मैं यहाँ पे ये लिख रहा हूँ इसलिए क्योंकि बोजन्स आर इंडिविजुअल। सो यहाँ पे भी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या आ जाएगा 1/3। ओके, फॉर क्लासिकल particle we have to find for classical particle for classical particle state 1, 2 and 3. If they are to be in different state, it will be like this: A, B, again B, A, it will be A, B, A, and another will be A, B and B, A. Here probability will be 2/3. Okay, here probability will be 2/3. Then a ratio will be, then what will be the ratio if they are in different state? Okay, what will be ratio probability? First, for boson it is 1/3 and for classical particle it is 2/3. So probability of ratio will be 1/2. Okay, okay, here is the answer 1 and 1/2. Here C is the correct option. So C is the right answer. 1 is the probability ratio for the two particles will be in same state and 1/2 for different state. Okay, let's have another question. Okay, this is the second question. Here it is given a collection of n two-level system with energy 0 and E which is greater than 0 is in thermal equilibrium at temperature T. For T tends to infinity, the specific heat approaches to. Okay, generally, as you know, what is specific heat? Specific heat का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Cv इक्वल टू del U upon del T at constant volume. Okay, and what is U? U is the internal energy. U is internal energy. Okay, U is the internal energy. To find out U, we have to find out the average of energy. Okay, for this we have to use a formula that is summation over ei e to the power minus beta ei divided by summation over e to the power minus beta ei. Okay, where summation over e to the beta ei is the partition function. What is it is called? It is called the partition function. Then what do we mean by the partition function? Partition function is generally describes how we arrange the particles in different states. Okay, here partition function z is summation over e to the minus beta ei. Okay, if we put this with that, we have two states, that is e equal to 0 one state and e1 is e which is greater than 0. So our total energy or internal energy will be how much? E into e to the power minus beta e divided by 1 plus e to the power minus beta e. Okay, where we know that beta is 1 by kt. Okay, if we arrange this, what we will get? E प्लस, सॉरी यहाँ पे गलत हो गया, e इंटू ई टू द पावर माइनस ई अपन के टी डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस e to the power minus e upon kt. Okay, this is the internal energy. Okay, now we have to find out the specific heat. Cv will be del u upon del T at constant volume. If you differentiate the internal energy, what will you get? That will be E square upon kt square e to the power minus e upon kt divided by 1 plus e to the power minus e upon kt. Okay, this is the Cv. When you want to find Cv or specific heat when T tends to infinity, it will be 0, as for this T. If we put here T tends to infinity, then this term will be tends to 0. So our answer will be A. Okay, the specific heat approaches to 0 when T tends to infinity. Then let us find out the another problem. Here the problem is given a monoatomic gas consists of atoms with two internal energy levels, ground state E0 and an excited state E. The specific heat of gas is given by, okay, ये कुछ प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम की तरह सॉल्व किए जाएंगे. यहाँ पे एक मोनोएटॉमिक गैस दिया गया है, उसका एनर्जी लेवल 2 है, one is 0 and another one is E. Then what will be the partition function for it? As you know, Z equal to summation over e to the power minus beta ei. Okay, e to the minus beta ei. So energy is one is 0 and another is E. So partition function will be 1 plus e to the power minus beta e. So internal energy U equal to what will be the average of energy will be. Let's write the formula first. Summation over ei e to the power minus beta ei divided by the partition function e to the power minus beta ei. Okay, if we put the energies, then what will you get? U equal to E into e to the power minus beta e divided by 1 plus e to the power minus beta e. Okay, where you know that beta is equal to 1 by kt. Okay, beta is 1 by kt. So from u is, now you find u, then you have to find the specific heat at constant volume, that is Cb, then du by dt at constant volume. What will be this? This will be E square. When you differentiate, you will get e to the power e by kt divided by kt square 1 plus e to the power e by kt ka square. Okay, you will get Cb equal to this much. Now let us find what will be the option given. Now look, B is the right answer. Okay, this is the last one. A particle in thermal equilibrium has three possible states. If the system is maintained at a temperature T greater than E by Kb, then average energy of the particle can be approximated to, यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन दिया गया है और क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है, at thermal equilibrium 3 possible states are available. Okay, 3 states are available. उनका एनर्जीज क्या है, माइनस ई, 0 एंड प्लस ई. ओके, और एक कंडीशन दिया गया है कि टी क्या है, कि वेरी वेरी ग्रेटर देन ई बाई के बी. हम उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख सकते हैं कि 1 इज वेरी वेरी ग्रेटर देन ई अपन के टी. ओके, let us start solving like this, like previous one. So average energy E will be summation over EI exponential minus beta EI divided by summation over exponential minus beta EI. So if we put, what will get, you will get minus e to the power plus beta e plus 0 plus e into e to the power minus beta e divided by e to the power plus beta e plus 1 plus e to the power minus beta e. Okay, after solving this, what we get, taking common e out, e to the power minus beta e minus e to the power plus beta e divided by 1 plus e to the power minus beta e plus e to the power plus beta e. Okay, as you know, beta is 1 by kt. So if you put, it will look this e to the power minus e upon kt minus e to the power plus beta, sorry, e upon kt. We had put here e beta equal to 1 by kt, so it will look like this, minus e upon kt plus e to the power plus e upon kt. Okay, after putting this, we have to put the limit. What is the limit we have get? E upon kt is very very less than is very less than 1. As you know, e to the power x equal to 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus like. Okay, if x is very less than 1, then what will happen? Then e to the power x will be approximated to 1 plus x. Okay, will be approximate to 1 plus x. So here e to the power e upon kt will be approximate to 1 plus e upon kt, and e to the power minus e upon kt will be approximated to 1 minus e upon kt. Okay, now when there is e to the power exponential e upon kt, you have to put this, and when there is exponential of minus e upon kt, you have to put 1 minus e upon kt. Okay, by putting you will get the answer, that is minus 2e square upon 3 kt. Okay, this is our answer. Thank you. If you find my video is helpful for you or for your preparation of JEST 2021, then please like, share and subscribe.